on everyone's mind: how to make money from a blog. Yes, you heard it right. Blogging isn't just a hobby, it can be a full-fledged income source. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, let's talk about why blogging is such a great platform. It's flexible, allows you to share your expertise, and best of all, it's accessible to everyone. Now, before you start counting your dollars, there are some prerequisites. You need to have quality content, a decent amount of traffic, and a niche that you're passionate about. Without these, monetizing your blog will be a challenge. The first method we're going to discuss is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products related to your blog's niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Another great way to make money is through sponsored posts. Companies pay you to write articles that promote their products or services. But remember, always disclose that it's a sponsored post to maintain trust with your audience. If you've got good traffic, ad networks like Google AdSense can be a steady income source. You get paid for every click or impression. You can also sell digital products like eBooks, courses, or printables. This is a fantastic way to share your expertise and make money at the same time. Last but not least, you can opt for a subscription model where readers pay for premium content. This creates a steady income but requires high-quality, consistent content. So there you have it, folks. Those are some proven strategies to make money from your blog. Remember, the key to successful monetization is quality content and a loyal audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your aspiring blogger friends. Until next time, happy blogging! If you want to dive deeper into each of these methods, make sure to check out our detailed blog post linked in the description below. And as always, for more tips and tricks on blogging and making money online, subscribe to Money Talks.